Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI P40 and today I'll show you how you can disable quick launch. I'm talking about this feature when you double press power key, volume down button on the lock screen. So as you can see, when you make it twice, like that, in our case the camera will be opened. So if you want to get rid of that, you have to simply go for the settings, tap on the search wheel and type quick. Here we got the ultra snapshot, and to turn it off, just tap on this option and turn it off. And right now when the lock screen is available and you quickly double press power key, it's not working anymore. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.